Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have BoyWithUke, and if you're a fan of him, then watch my other tutorials here on Goran Guitar. We got a bunch of them. This time we're gonna focus on the new song called Gaslight. Alright, so Gaslight is a song we're gonna handle with a capo, and that is placed on the 2nd fret. And with that, we have 7 chords. So let's go into it, working with the chords, and we're gonna start with A, okay? So A goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have the C sharp 7, and that's a bar chord where you place your index finger here on the 4th fret and you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 6 on D and 6 on B. We're gonna move on with a bar chord with the F sharp minor. This time we have a bar on the 2nd fret, and you cover all strings there, push them down, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We're gonna move on with the B minor. Okay, it's a bar chord still on the 2nd fret. This time you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the D next. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And speaking of E, that's the next chord. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E, and the final chord is the D minor. Okay, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, so we're gonna go into the beginning of the song, the verse play, and we're gonna start with A. I'm gonna tell you how to play this. We have a pattern pretty much when it comes to strumming. I'm gonna tell you that meanwhile we're coming there. So we're gonna start with A, and we're gonna play down, down, clap, down, like this. Okay, so down, down, clap, down. And then you go over to next chord, which is the C sharp 7. You're gonna play the down, down, clap, okay? So you stop after the clap. And the final down you're gonna give to the next chord, which is the F sharp minor, down. And then you continue with down, down, clap, down for 2 times. And that is the first half of the chord progression here in the verse. So just for you to follow here, we had A, down, down, clap, down. Then C sharp, down, down, clap, and the final down you give to the F sharp. And then you continue with down, down, clap, down for 2 more times on the F sharp. Okay, so that's the first half. And then you're gonna play the exact same strumming, but for different chords here in the second half. So you're gonna start now with a B minor. You play that in the same way as A. So down, down, clap, down. Then you shift to D and play that in the same way as the C sharp, the down, down, clap. And then you go to E and play that in the same way as the F sharp. You give the last down from the D to this E. And then you fulfill it with down, down, clap, down for 2 rounds. And that would be 1 chord progression round here in the verse. And you're gonna play 2 chord progression rounds of this. I'm gonna take you through 1 round slowly first, and then I'm gonna give you 1 round, a little bit standard tempo. Let's go. That was 2 rounds, and that is your first verse. Now into the chorus. And yeah, we're gonna continue with the strumming here, and now it's a little bit more straightforward when it comes to the strumming. We have down, down, clap, down. That is now one stringing around. And I think in the lyrics, I think you are bad for me. That's where it is. That's where the chord starts. So we're gonna have down, down, clap, down to work with, and we're gonna start with A, one string around, then C sharp, one string around, then F sharp, one string around, then E, one string around, and then you have D, two string rounds, and D minor, two string rounds. You're gonna play for only this one chord progression. So one string round for the following chords: A, C sharp, F sharp, E, and then D2 and D minor 2, like this. So there you have it. Now we are into the second round, the second verse, and that is played in exact same way as the first one. Okay, so that is just repetition. And then we'll come into the second chorus. This one is longer, all right? So you're gonna start to play one chord progression round of the first chorus you just learned, all right? So that is the first half of it, so to speak. The second half of it will be to play and use the down, down, clap down still, but for different chords. You're gonna play now D, two string rounds, then E, two string rounds, then A, one, C sharp one, and F sharp two. All that is one chord progression round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that will end the second chorus. So just to summarize the second chorus, you started in the same way as you started the first chorus, and you finished that one chord progression round of C sharp, F sharp, E, D, and D minor. And then you continue with D2, E2, A1, C sharp 1, F sharp 2 for 2 rounds. And that last part in this second chorus, I will play for you. So let's go for 1 round of the last part. 2 rounds of that in addition to the first chorus, and that will be the second chorus. Okay, so we're into the final parts of the song. After the second chorus comes a post-chorus part. I think that's the lyrics oh, oh, oh. All right, so what you're gonna do here is just to continue the second half of the second chorus, which was the D2, E2, A1, C sharp 1, and F sharp 2. You're gonna play that for another 2 rounds. You just continue that, okay? And then we are hitting the outro part of this song, and that is basically to play the verse play, okay? You're just gonna play it for 5 rounds, and in the 4th, 5th round, it starts to fade out here in this song, but you just go on and go on. I believe 5 rounds will be where it just ends, all right? So that is pretty much how you handle BoyWithUke's Gaslight. So if you're a fan of him and fan of guitars and perhaps this channel, Growing Guitar, yeah, consider subscribe to this channel. That will make my day. Thank you so much, everybody, and play tuned.